Welcome to our slow reverse Kegel exercise tutorial. Today, we'll focus on mastering a controlled pushing action of the pelvic floor muscles. Slow reverse Kegels involve a gradual pushing action over 5 seconds. Ready for the first rep? Slowly push down, hold the push, and then ease off. That's 1. Let's aim for 4 more reps. And push down, hold the push, ease off, and continue. Remember, slow reverse Kegels are about building endurance and control in your pelvic floor muscles through a deliberate and controlled pushing action. Regular practice will help you develop better control and strength in these muscles.